Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of microinvesting, a simple, accessible way for beginners to start building wealth. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of investing, microinvesting is designed just for you. It allows you to invest small amounts of money, often just a few dollars at a time, making it possible to start your investment journey without needing a large sum up front. In this video, we'll explore how microinvesting works, its key benefits, and why it's a great option for those new to the world of finance. Let's get started on your path to financial growth. Microinvesting is a method that lets you invest small amounts of money, often automatically, into various assets like stocks or funds. Unlike traditional investing, where you might need hundreds or thousands of dollars to get started, microinvesting platforms allow you to begin with just your spare change. This approach removes the intimidation factor and makes investing accessible to almost everyone. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or simply new to investing, microinvesting offers a practical entry point into the financial markets. Starting small is one of the biggest advantages of microinvesting. You don't need to wait until you've saved a large sum. Every little bit counts. By investing just a few dollars regularly, you can gradually build a portfolio over time. This approach helps you develop good financial habits without feeling the pressure of risking large amounts. It's all about consistency and making investing a part of your routine, no matter your current financial situation. One of the most appealing aspects of microinvesting is its accessibility. With just a smartphone and a bank account, you can start investing from anywhere. Many platforms are user-friendly and designed with beginners in mind, offering simple interfaces and educational resources. This means you don't need a background in finance to get started. Microinvesting breaks down barriers, making it possible for anyone to participate in the markets and begin growing their wealth. Microinvesting platforms often offer automatic investing features. This means you can set up recurring investments, such as daily, weekly, or monthly contributions, without having to remember each time. Automation helps you stay consistent and removes the temptation to skip investments. Over time, these small, regular contributions can add up, helping you build a solid financial foundation with minimal effort. Because you're investing small amounts, the financial risk is much lower compared to traditional investing. This makes microinvesting a great way to learn about the markets and gain experience without worrying about losing significant sums. It's a safe way to dip your toes into investing, allowing you to experiment and grow your confidence as you go. Microinvesting is a hands-on way to learn about investing. As you make small investments, you'll start to understand how markets work, how portfolios are built, and how different assets perform. This practical experience is invaluable, especially for beginners. You'll gain confidence and knowledge with each step, making you better prepared for larger investments in the future. One of the most powerful benefits of microinvesting is compound growth. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time thanks to compounding. When you reinvest your earnings, your money starts to earn more money, creating a snowball effect. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Microinvesting helps you take advantage of this powerful principle, even if you're starting with just a few dollars. You don't need to be a financial expert to start microinvesting. Most platforms offer guidance, educational content, and even automated portfolio management. This support makes it easy for beginners to make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. You can learn as you go, with resources available at your fingertips to help you understand each step of the process. Microinvesting platforms often allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio, even with small amounts. This means your money is spread across different assets, reducing risk and increasing your chances of steady growth. Diversification is a key principle in investing, and microinvesting makes it easy to achieve without needing a large sum of money. Microinvesting encourages you to develop good financial habits. By making regular, small investments, you're building a routine that can serve you well for years to come. These habits help you stay disciplined, focused, and committed to your financial goals. Over time, these small steps can lead to significant progress and a stronger financial future. Many microinvesting platforms charge low or even no fees, making it cost-effective for beginners. Traditional investing often comes with high fees that can eat into your returns, but microinvesting keeps costs down. This means more of your money goes toward growing your investments, not paying for services. Some microinvesting apps offer roundup features, where your everyday purchases are rounded up to the nearest dollar and the spare change is invested. For example, if you spend $2.75 on coffee, the app invests 25 cents for you. This makes investing effortless and helps you grow your portfolio without even thinking about it. Microinvesting is incredibly convenient thanks to mobile apps. You can check your portfolio, make investments, and track your progress all from your phone. This accessibility means you can manage your investments on the go, fitting investing into your busy lifestyle with ease. Traditional investing can feel intimidating, especially for beginners. Microinvesting removes that barrier by making the process simple, approachable, and stress-free. With easy-to-use apps and small investment amounts, you can start your journey without feeling overwhelmed. Microinvesting platforms offer a variety of investment options, from stocks and bonds to ETFs and even socially responsible funds. This flexibility allows you to choose investments that match your interests and values, making the experience more engaging and personal. It's never too early or too late to start microinvesting. Whether you're a teenager, a college student, or an adult looking to build better financial habits, microinvesting is accessible to all ages. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow, but it's always a good time to begin. Many microinvesting apps include goal-setting features allowing you to set targets for your investments. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new gadget, or your future, these tools help you stay motivated and track your progress toward your goals. Some platforms offer social investing features where you can join communities, share tips, and learn from others. This social aspect makes investing more engaging and helps you stay accountable. You can connect with friends or other investors, making the journey more enjoyable and collaborative. Microinvesting platforms often provide educational resources such as articles, videos, and tutorials. These materials help you learn about investing basics, strategies, and market trends, empowering you to make informed decisions as you grow your portfolio. With microinvesting, there's no pressure to commit large sums or lock your money away. You can invest what you're comfortable with and withdraw funds when needed. This flexibility makes it easier to start and stick with investing, even if your financial situation changes. Microinvesting platforms are typically transparent about fees, performance, and investment choices. You have control over where your money goes and can monitor your portfolio at any time. This transparency builds trust and helps you feel confident in your investment decisions. Microinvesting naturally encourages you to save more. By investing small amounts regularly, you're less likely to spend that money elsewhere. Over time, these savings can add up, helping you reach your financial goals faster and with less effort. Many people put off investing because it seems complicated or requires a lot of money. Microinvesting removes these obstacles, making it easy to start right away. With just a few taps on your phone, you can begin your investment journey today, overcoming procrastination and taking action toward your financial future. Microinvesting apps provide tools to track your investment progress. You can see how your portfolio is growing, review your contributions, and adjust your strategy as needed. This visibility keeps you engaged and motivated to continue investing over the long term. Security is a top priority for microinvesting platforms. They use advanced encryption and security measures to protect your personal and financial information. This ensures that your investments are safe, giving you peace of mind as you build your portfolio. Unlike many traditional investment accounts, microinvesting platforms often have no minimum balance requirements. This means you can start with whatever amount you're comfortable with, making investing truly accessible to everyone, regardless of income or savings level. Microinvesting is specifically designed with beginners in mind. The platforms are easy to use, the investments are small, and there's plenty of support along the way. If you're new to investing, this is the perfect way to get started and build your confidence. The true power of microinvesting lies in its ability to help you build wealth over time. By consistently investing small amounts, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial success. It's not about getting rich quick, but about making steady progress toward your goals. Sum up, microinvesting offers a simple, low-risk, and accessible way for beginners to start their investment journey. With features like automation, low fees, and educational resources, it's never been easier to take control of your financial future. Remember, every small step counts, and the sooner you start, the more you can benefit from the power of compounding. So why wait? Begin your microinvesting journey today and watch your wealth grow over time.